In this video, we're going to be talking about Educational Credential Assessment, which is ECA. So if you're applying for a Canada Express entry, then you have to have your ECA report in order. We'll be covering 6 points so that you can get the complete information about the whole ECA process. Number 1, who should get their ECA done? Number 2, why is it required? Number 3, where can you get your ECA done? Number 4, what documents do you need to get it done? Number 5, how much money do you have to get it done? And number 6, when should you apply for your ECA? If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get all the new updates about Express Entry 2022. If you're planning to immigrate to Canada, then one of the most important things that you need is your ECA report, because frankly speaking, you cannot even start your Express Entry file if you don't have your ECA reports. And very importantly, if you did your studies in Canada from a Canadian institution or university, you do not need to get an ECA done. It's only for aspirants who have gained their education outside of Canada. Which brings me to my second point. Why is it even needed? Well, it's done to assess the value of your education, be it a degree or a diploma, that you gain in your home country as compared to the Canadian education standards. And it is done by very specific organizations. The Canadian government has designated 5 different organizations that you can choose from to get your degrees assessed. Out of these 5, WES is the most popular option. It is also what I used to assess my degrees when I applied for Express Entry back in 2019. These organizations on an average takes about 35 business days to work on your degree assessments. Now let's talk about what documents do you need to apply for an ECA. You're mostly just asked for the transcripts, but you might be asked for mark sheets or a copy of your degree or diploma, depending on what organization you choose to get your degrees assessed. But if your university does not give you the transcripts physically, if they don't hand it over to you, you can always ask your university to send it directly to the organization, but always make sure that they put the reference number on top of the envelope. So how much money does it cost you to apply for an ECA? It usually costs about $220 for the application and about $20 to $30 for the courier delivery. So it brings the total to about $260. Last but not the least, when should you get your ECA done? For all the people who are trying to apply for Express Entry, they should get it done even before they start their file online. For all the students, they should get it done before even coming to Canada, because it'll be a waste of time to get the ECA done once you're here. It'll be a hassle for you to get somebody to go to your university and get all the documents needed for the assessment. There's nothing to worry about because it's valid for 5 years. So by the time you come here, you do your studies and everything, you can always apply using the same WES assessment that you got 2 years back. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get all the new updates about Express Entry and everything else about Canada.